you're experiencing a login failure with error code 2026 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or their social media channels to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may cause login issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as necessary. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Update game and launcher. Make sure that both Red Dead Redemption 2 and the game launcher are fully updated. Check for any available updates and install them, as updates often include fixes for known issues. If you continue to experience issues after following these steps, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.